What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. So today, I thought I would come to you and express the don'ts of lawn care. And there are 5 that I came up with. I'm sure there are many more, but I thought of these 5 for the new guys who are going to get started in lawn care. So, number 1, don't sell yourself short. What I mean by that is a lot of times in order to get the job, we will price the job at a lower price. I realize that it's not worth your time to do it cheap. You cannot grow your business and you cannot fix the repairs to your equipment if you sell yourself short. Also, selling yourself short actually burns you out quicker because you start saying to yourself, why am I doing this? Why am I out here cutting this grass? I could be doing something else to make more money. Number 2, don't look at other lawn care pros as your competition. If you do, once again, you're gonna sell yourself short. Also, who's gonna help you to cut all this grass? Because you can't cut this grass by yourself. What I mean by that, what happens if your lawnmower goes down, you need an extra hand in getting some other work done because the rain has backed you up? I'm telling you, the best thing you can do is join yourself or familiarize yourself with other people in your community who does the exact same thing you're doing. A lot of times, I send my business to other people. Why? Because I can't cut all this grass by myself. So, my other lawn care pros out there, you're not my competition. Number 3, don't buy equipment based on it's cheap. Therefore, I'm going to buy it. What I've learned is that the money you save in buying a cheap piece of equipment is the money you spend fixing it. Believe it or not, that is so true. So that's the reason why I spend the money to get a better piece of equipment. Now, don't get me wrong, there's some affordable equipment out there in zero turn. There are affordable equipment out there in your hand tools, but you need to go on YouTube and really do the research and see the guys or see the other professional lawn pro professionals that's not your competition, by the way, what they recommend. You know, a lot of guys on different channels can recommend why they choose a certain piece of equipment and how long it lasts. Number 4, don't let your customers run your business. I'm gonna say that one again. Don't let your customers run your business. So I would think that's self-explanatory. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Which I'm saying is at the end of the day, your customers will tell you, hey, so-and-so does it like this, and you shouldn't do that, and blah, 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 this and that, and we liked it like this, and you should be nice and stay professional and say, well, ma'am, I thank you for your, the opportunity to service you. However, we don't do it that way. Just be nice. And let me add this one in too. Don't let people on YouTube tell you how to run your business, including me. I just give suggestions of what works for me. You know what I'm saying? So if it works and it can help you, by all means, have at it. Because I have taken a lot of ideas off of people on YouTube, and I have seen some ideas on YouTube that I said, hey, won't work with me in my current situation. So a lot of times people say, what's your price? I don't mind telling you the price of what I charge for what I cut. I don't have a problem with that. But let's be honest too, you may not be in my area, it may not be in my location, so it may not work for you. So take the advice with a grain of salt. And number 5, don't plan to fail. What do you mean, Vic, don't plan to fail? Well, the saying is, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. That's right. So, we're going to our off season again. Make some plans on how to promote your business. Make some plans from this year to get better. Like saying, hey, I need to get better at this right here. I'm gonna tell you, for myself, I need to work on hiring more people. You know, I need to plan on that. This year, I just kind of winged it. Wasn't too bad, but I learned a lot. You learn a lot by winging stuff. You learn what not to do. You know, so this year, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with Indeed. I'm gonna start with Facebook. I'm gonna start with Craigslist, to getting my want ads out, and I'm gonna run my want ads throughout the season. Yes, I'm gonna be hiring throughout the season. You know it. So if you're looking for employment in Conyers, and I'm looking for people who live in Conyers, not saying I wouldn't hire somebody who doesn't live outside of Conyers, but I realize if you live close to the place you work, most likely you'll show up to work. All right. So hopefully these don'ts in lawn care will help you out. I'm not saying that all the don'ts is all that you need to know. I'm just giving you mine, and hopefully you can learn from it. And I really appreciate you guys leave a comment. What are some of your don'ts in lawn care? Leave a little down at the inbox. Maybe you can help me out on some things that I ain't think of that's really important. Because once I say it again, I learn a lot from YouTube and the people who doing this work. Because if you're doing this work, you're going to learn something. Either you're going to learn what not to do, or you're going to learn what to do. All right, guys. Cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.